How did you enjoy the workshop?
It was simply amazing. It was phenomenal. It was relevant. It was powerful. Health is the new wealth. And I think that every man needs this because of all the ailments that men are going through, you know, the prostate cancer and all these type of things. And all we have to do when you come to Zola's or Herbs, Original Herbs store, you can understand that in nature there's always a remedy for everything. All we have to do is follow nature and we do it. And why should you grow old and accept sickness? That's not natural. You should continue to be healthy as long as you live. I'm a witness to that.
So what's your 3 words, the last in closing, 3 words that describe the workshop? Again, I know you said a lot in the beginning.
Sure did.
Okay.
I sure did. So I would say relevant, holistic, and very positive.
Yes. Okay. It's worth your time, right?
Very much so.
Thank you for coming. It's nice to see the young ones in the house. So how did you like the workshop? Did you seem like you learned something?
Yes, I learned a lot. It's a lot. I can't even begin with it. I didn't know that certain things connected to each other. It's like, I thought it was just one thing, like you take one herb and boom, it'll be gone. Whereas a host of other things that play a role in it, you know.
So would you go out there and share the information and bring more brothers in, the young ones?
Definitely.
Okay.
I know a couple of people that will enjoy this.
Yeah. Okay.
So
All right. Thank you.
I'm definitely coming back.
Okay. So if you had 3 words to describe the workshop, what would you say?
It's amazing, very informative, and welcoming.
Thank you.
Hi, good evening. My name is Miriam. I am very excited to talk about Zola's program here. She's been very helpful in the community. I know her for close to 25 years now, and I've been really helped and feel blessed for it, for the programs that she offers. She helps a lot with herbal knowledge that we can use to help us keep our health and therefore keep our dignity, which is very interesting. And every time she's offering workshops, I always make it a point to be a part of it because I learn so much. And today we learn about detoxification, and unlike what people believe, thinking that they can take something to cleanse the colon and then that is called detoxification. But there is so much more to that. And she taught us about it, and I'm grateful for it. And she also, in the process, cooked a good soup for us who are here today, and which is a detox soup as well, and a drink. And so I'm doing this to encourage more people to come to the workshops and so they can learn about how to take care of their health. Thank you.